Dear students, in this lecture from the chapter Interest and EMI, we are going to study formula for simple interest, and we will also solve some examples on simple interest. Let us see some formulae on simple interest. First, we will try to understand the notation. P denotes principal, that is principal means or principal amount. Simply we say principal, or we may call it as principal amount. N denotes number of years. R denotes rate of interest, percent per annum. Rate of interest, percent per annum. And I denotes interest. Interest means it denotes simple interest in this case. And A denotes amount. So recall the notation. P stands for principal amount. N denotes number of years. R denotes rate of interest, percent per annum. I denotes interest and A denotes amount. Now we will see two formulae. There are only two formulae for simple interest. So the first formula is I is equal to P into R into N upon 100. So simple interest is obtained by dividing the product of principal amount, rate of interest and number of years by 100. And second formula for principal interest is that of simple interest is that of amount. So amount is equal to A is equal to P in bracket 1 plus R into N upon 100. So this is formula for amount. This is formula for interest, and this is formula for amount. Let us solve some examples based on this formulae. So first formula which we are going to study is, first example which we are going to study is this. Find simple interest on rupees 60,000 invested for 5 years at 8% per annum rate of simple interest. If it is not specified, we can assume, in fact it is specified here, so the interest is simple interest. So what are given things? The given things are P, that is principal amount, it is rupees 60,000. R is 8% per annum, so it is 8% per annum, and N is 5 years. So you simply have to substitute the values in this formula for simple interest. What is the formula for simple interest? I is equal to P into R into 1 upon P into R into N upon 100, and that after calculations. You pause the video for a while and do the calculations on your own and verify that whether this comes as 24,000 or not. So the simple interest on rupees 60,000 invested for 5 years at 8% per annum is 24,000. Next example. Find the simple interest the simple interest on rupees 60,000 for 66 months at 8% per annum rate of interest. So here the given things are principal amount is rupees 60,000, rate of interest is 8% per annum, and n is equal to 66 months, and that we have to convert into years. So this should be 12. So 66 upon 12 equals to 5.5 years. So n is equal to 5.5 years. Then write down the formula. I is equal to P into R into N upon 100. Substitute the values which we have. So what are the values? The values are 60,000. Principal amount is 60,000. Rate of interest is 8. Number of years is 5.5 divided by 100, and verify whether this comes as 26,400 or not. I request you to do the calculations on your own. The only way to learn mathematics is to solve examples on your own. You should solve many examples on your own. Let us see the third example on compound interest. Here the problem is to find amount after 5 years when rupees 80,000 is invested at 8% per annum rate of simple interest. So write down given things. Principal amount is 80,000. Rate of interest is 8% and number of years are 5. So the amount is A is equal to P in bracket 1 plus R into N upon 100. There are only two formulas for simple interest. So one is for simple interest and another is for amount. In this example, we are going to use the formula for amount. So substitute the values. 80,000 1 plus rate of interest is 8, number of years are 5 upon 100. After calculations, you can find that this equals to 11,000, 1 lakh 12,000. So you should pause a video for a while, do the calculations on your own and verify whether you get the final answer as rupees 1,12,000 or not. We'll see some more examples in next lecture. Thank you.